It's Kalido Vids, and today we're unboxing for MacBook Pro, for new 2020 model with an M1 chip, Apple's own in-house custom-made chip, right for this 13-inch MacBook Pro. But without further ado, let's get into it. Satisfy him quickly. So this was made for other month. Apple, you can never be disappointed by its quality. Here we got from main man himself for 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it comes with a USB-C to USB-C fast charger. We've got a little manual. MacBook Pro information guide, and we've got some space grey Apple stickers. These actually look really nice, but it matches the MacBook as well. And here we've got our USB-C fast charger. This is a 61 watt USB-C power brick. The new MacBooks also have twice as much battery life as their predecessors, thanks to that new M1 Apple in-house chip. Now let's unwrap. When it comes to packaging, Apple's the king. When it comes to packaging, Apple's the king. Look at that. Amazing. And it turns on as well. That is mad. Literally just opening this. This MacBook Pro looks beautiful. We've got a touch bar. We've got our keyboard. Now let's set this up. This MacBook's supposed to be the fastest Mac that's ever been made, even faster than the iMac Pro, for one with 27 cores. And apparently, in Geekbenches and all of that, this tops it. Okay, first impressions, this screen looks amazing. Let me up the brightness. Oh yeah, this screen is quite bright. This is actually nice, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up and I'll get back to you guys in a second. So while everything is getting set up, so far I'm really liking how bright the screen is. For color on this, oh my days, it is actually mad. I'm quite impressed so far. We got a little touch bar. Slap that onto the brightest. I think right now it's on auto brightness. We share that. Screen time. You see, if you got an iPhone, you'll know about screen time. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open for documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? And we got Hey Siri set up. To be honest, this data, I don't really think is that deep if you share it. It'll just help Apple make it even better. 5-volt disk encryption. Oh, we even got a little touch ID sensor right here. So you tap your finger. Capture the edges. And it's ready. Ready to like 10 seconds. I love how you just double, I don't know if you guys have a MacBook Pro, yeah? But you can just like double click, like click it once and then again twice. And the thing is, this isn't actually like moving down like that. It's just vibrations, a little bit of haptic feedback. So it feels like you're pressing a button, but you're not. And it's amazing, you can do it on anywhere. From the touchpad here. I think this MacBook goes up to, I think at least 18 hours of battery life or 20 hours, something like that. We're gonna use dark mode for now. I feel like it goes better with a space grey colour. Oh, this is like iPhone, so it's like the colours stay consistent even with different environments, so don't just look bluish. And now we're in a kind of yellowish, warmish environment with my lighting, but it still looks pretty accurate. MacBook all set up. A quick run on the specs. This MacBook Pro is 2.8 times as fast as the last MacBook Pro. It's also 5 times faster graphically, and it has a newer engine which is 10 times faster than the previous one. And yeah, it's just a powerhouse really. Also 20 hours of battery life. That's the most this Mac has ever had. More than for MacBook Pro's 16-inch made at the beginning of 2020, and for old MacBook Pro, the 13-inch one as well. So let's open Safari. Let's quickly go to the Apple site. And yeah, this Mac is quite fast. Well, I know a lot of you have been seeing for AirPods Max, you've been seeing that. I know a couple of you might want to cop that, but I know a lot of you, that is way too expensive just for a pair of headphones. But I mean, the reviews are good. MQBHD thinks it's good, so. Yeah. The 3 brand new MacBooks. So what's sick about these new MacBooks is that you can use any, I think, iPad app from the App Store, iPhone/iPad app, which I think is pretty sick, just because they're optimized for Mac with the M1 chips. It's also way faster, like way faster. Let me get a couple of these apps. Let me see, can I get, oh, Fortnite is still banned. It's still banned on it, like everywhere. So annoying. I'm gonna download Asphalt onto this. What's sick about this computer, look, so I've just opened up Among Us. This is an actual like iPhone and iPad app, and it's running on the MacBook right now. Let me up the speakers a little bit. Oh, that's quite loud. Oh, I gotta make a name. We're gonna call ourselves Kaleido. For right way to say my channel name is Kaleido Vids, but I don't know, I've got used to saying it wrong as Kalido. Let me reduce it a little bit actually. It's quite loud. Oh, it's full. It'd be sick if you could use the arrow keys. I have arrow keys on the Mac here, but we're gonna have to make do just using the little touchpad. My ping is mad in this one. Let me go into another one. Okay, we'll start him. For some reason, with this game, I can't make it full screen. It's still like more than big enough, but I can't make it full screen. But we'll just firm it like this. Oh, why am I green? Are we gonna be imposter? Oh yeah, I'm leaving this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the MacBook unboxing. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, comment if you want to. If you want me to make a review on this later on, DM me on Instagram at imzy_official. But without further ado, peace.